beauty lovers! Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the hunt for a mascara that truly delivers, this might be the game changer you've been looking for. Today, we're talking about the COVERGIRL Full Spectrum Lash Ambition Mascara in Hi-Def Aqua. Whether you're all about definition, volume, or just want something to lift your lashes for an effortlessly fresh look, this product promises to deliver. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into it. First things first, this mascara comes in a 0.3 fluid ounce pack of 2, making it an excellent option if you tend to go through mascara quickly or if you just like to stock up. The formula is designed to offer bold, high-definition lashes with intense color, and it's made right here in the United States. Now, what really sets this mascara apart? Well, for one, it claims to deliver both length and volume while maintaining a lightweight feel. Plus, it's infused with nourishing ingredients to keep your lashes soft and healthy, but we'll get into how it performs in real life in a second. When it comes to ingredients, you won't find any heavy-duty waxes or cloying fragrances, just a clean, buildable formula that's all about making those lashes pop. The brush itself is specially designed to coat every lash, providing volume without clumping. I was curious to see how it would hold up in my daily routine, especially when it comes to smudging or flaking throughout the day. Let me tell you, I tested this mascara under real-world conditions, including a full workday and an evening out, and it delivered. My lashes stayed defined, and the color didn't budge or fade. Even when I ran a bit late and had to touch up before heading out, the formula didn't clump up at all. On to the pros. First off, it's easy to apply. The brush is comfortable to work with, and the formula is creamy enough that it gives you enough time to build up layers, but it doesn't get sticky. Another thing I loved was the length it gave my lashes without weighing them down. My lashes stayed soft, yet still full, all day long. As for the cons, there's really just one, and it's not a deal breaker for everyone. While it holds up great during the day, it's not as waterproof as some other mascaras I've tried. If you have super watery eyes or tend to sweat a lot, it might not be the best option for a long, active day. That being said, it's still pretty impressive for a drugstore mascara. Now let's talk value. The COVERGIRL Full Spectrum Lash Ambition Mascara is priced reasonably, especially when you get a 2-pack for the price of 1, which gives you some serious bang for your buck. When you compare it to other mascaras in the same price range, I'd say it definitely punches above its weight, offering great results without the luxury price tag. It's not going to replace your high-end mascaras if you're looking for something extreme, but it's perfect for a daily go-to mascara that delivers both length and volume without the extra effort. Speaking of alternatives, if you're someone who prefers a waterproof formula, or if you're willing to splurge a little more for a higher-end product, there are other options like Maybelline's Lash Sensational or L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise that might work better for your needs. But if you're sticking to a budget and want something that performs consistently, this mascara could be a fantastic fit. Before we wrap up, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I didn't have to reach out to COVERGIRL personally, but they're known for being responsive when customers need assistance. So you can rest assured that if you run into any issues with the product, they're there to help. Lastly, while the packaging is sleek and modern, it's not the most luxurious. The tube is pretty standard, but it does the job well. It's not overly bulky, and the brush cap stays secure, so you won't find any leakage or mess when you pop it in your makeup bag. So what's the final verdict on the COVERGIRL Full Spectrum Lash Ambition Mascara? Overall, it's a solid mascara that provides impressive definition and volume without the hefty price tag. It's especially perfect if you're looking for a reliable, everyday option that doesn't compromise on quality. If you're a mascara enthusiast like me, this is definitely worth a try. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.